Welcome to Hello English. Learn English in just 40 seconds. Today's lesson is action verbs and state verbs. Let's begin. Action verbs show what someone does, like run, eat, write, and jump. State verbs describe a person's feelings, thoughts, or conditions. They tell us how someone feels, what someone thinks or knows, or what someone has or needs. For example, know means to have knowledge. Love shows feeling. Believe means to think something is true. Need means something is necessary. Remember, state verbs usually are not used with ing because they describe a state, not an action. They tell us what someone knows, feels, believes, owns, or understands. For example, don't say, I am knowing the answer. Instead, say, I know the answer. That's because know is a state verb. It describes knowledge, not an action happening right now. Every morning, Sam runs in the park. After exercising, he writes in his notebook. Sam loves learning English, and he knows that practicing every day helps him improve. Remember, action verbs tell what we do. State verbs tell what we feel, think, or know.